Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving deep into the exciting world of OpenRA, a free, open-source, real-time strategy game. Two major updates have just dropped, packed with features and fixes. Let's start with the December release.
Right. The December update, playtest 20,241,228, sounds significant. Saboteurs can now cloak while moving. That's a huge gameplay change, right? What else caught your eye?
Absolutely. That's a major stealth buff. But it's not just about gameplay tweaks. They've also improved the map editor with a delete area button, a much-needed addition for precision map making. Plus, there are numerous bug fixes, addressing issues with Dune 2000 music detection, harvester orders, and even game window glitches on Windows 10. A very solid update, addressing stability and quality of life.
I see. So a focus on stability and refining existing features. But the November update, playtest 20,241,116, seems to be a much larger leap forward, judging by the images and descriptions. Post-processing effects? That's amazing for a project like this.
You're right. November's update is a massive overhaul. The post-processing effects are a game changer, adding a whole new level of visual fidelity. And the revamped map editor is a complete redesign, with draggable selections, actors, measurement tools, and even a play button for in-editor testing. It's a massive improvement for modders and map creators.
The new map editor sounds incredible. But the Encyclopedia for Tiberian Dawn, isn't that a bit redundant given the existence of fan-made wikis? Maintaining an official one seems like a lot of work.
That's a valid point. However, the official encyclopedia ensures consistency and accuracy, especially as the game evolves. Fan wikis can become outdated or inconsistent, so having a central, maintained resource is invaluable for players. Plus, it's a great community feature. It's a win-win.
Okay, I get it. And the improved HOD art asset support for Tiberian Dawn HOD is also a big deal. Faster load times and better performance are always welcome. The fact that they're pulling assets from the Steam Ultimate Collection is also pretty slick.
Exactly. They've really gone the extra mile with this release. The improvements to Red Alert and Dune 2000, including new missions and balance changes, are also noteworthy. And the fact that they're working towards supporting additional languages is fantastic for expanding the game's reach.
It's clear a lot of work went into both updates. The community feedback channels, the forum, Discord, and GitHub are essential for continued improvement, right? They seem to be actively engaging with their player base.
Absolutely. OpenRA is a shining example of a successful open-source project, thriving on community involvement and collaboration. These updates demonstrate their commitment to both bug fixing and adding significant new features. It's a fantastic project, and I highly recommend checking it out.
Agreed. A great example of community-driven development. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News today. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the latest OpenRA updates.
Thanks for listening, Commanders. Happy gaming, and we'll see you next time on Tech Bytes and News. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.